On the fiscal side, I'm very proud of many of our governments in Africa because they've really stuck to very, very, I would say, responsible policy responses in terms of managing the economy. If you look at all the aggregates, people are struggling to manage inflation, the exchange rate. People are struggling to make sure we don't creep into an era of overvaluation. People are trying to be responsible fiscally in a way that we've never seen before. So both the fiscal instruments and monetary policy are working in tandem to ensure continued macro stability as a platform for launching growth in many of the countries. And I think that this success, relative success, has led to Africa rebounding faster from the crisis than it would have. There's usually a one-year lag, in the way that Africa comes back after these crises. But this time we've rebounded faster. And in fact, growth on the continent is forecast to reach 5% and better than that, which compared to what is happening elsewhere is a very good response. The new crop of policymakers realize that they have to keep responsible macroeconomic policies in place if we are to be able to manage the present crisis. I think the problem is the fear that there won't be enough fiscal space. Should we really have another shock? Because during the 2008 crisis, whatever buffers were created are now much lower and not as available. I can even cite Nigeria as an example of that. So if there's another big shock in the system, I'm not sure that we'll have the buffers to be able to handle it as well. But for now, I am very encouraged by what I see in terms of both monetary and fiscal policy in many of our countries.